What's up, everybody? Welcome back to RX7 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, we are going to Concept 3, dude. That's right, dude. Awesome shop out here in Southern California. The homie Will, man, shout out to him. Now, this intro is actually way after this actual footage has been recorded. So, basically, this footage you guys are about to see was actually recorded 2 days before the KTM cruise, dude. Man, this day right here, the day that I recorded this footage at Concept 3, it was nuts. Let me give you a breakdown of what I did that day. It was nuts. Okay, so I worked my regular job, got off around 3 something or 4 something or whatever. That's when the homie Kuron hit me up. It was like, hey bro, man, I got the wheels and the tires I'm gonna put on my car, so we're gonna swap, and I'm gonna give you my other one. So that was the setup that I have right now. So I'm gonna put a picture of the video where we did the wheel and tire swap or whatever, right there. Bam. So check that out. Let me change my throttle controller. There we go. Car gets quieter if I put it on eco mode. Awesome. You got to get that throttle controller. But yeah, so so I met him down at the tire shop or whatever. Actually, before I had to meet him down at the shop, he was getting some alignment work done on his car, getting everything nice and tight and good with the car. And then we went down to the tire shop, did the wheel and tire swap. I went back to the crib, dropped the wheels off, the old wheels that I had, and put them in my garage. At that time, that's when I got a call or a text back from Premium Christian saying he's gonna be down at Concept 3 for me to come pick up my custom decals. And dude, the custom decals are on my door that say RX7 TV, and the other one that says Smile You're on Camera and Media Car were special requests that he hooked it up with. So shout out to him for that. Awesome dude. So I had to meet him down at Concept 3. So that's what this video takes place. Drove down to Concept 3, hung out for about an hour because I was planning on just picking up the decals, but you know, there was a couple cool cars in Concept 3, so I was like, hey, this is a whole vlog. So we ended up just doing a whole tour. Thanks again to Will for allowing me to walk around the shop, and the laughs, this dude's hilarious. So enough of me jibber jabbering, man. Let's go ahead and just jump into it and get started. So yeah, we pulling up the Concept 3 right now, picking up something from homie and Premium Christian, getting some work done on this car. So we got my homie right here, Premium Christian. This dude, let me put my key back in so it can shut up. But yeah, he hooked it up with this right here. If you guys don't know, I keep saying it over and over again. Got more fire I'm about to put on the car. If you guys already you came to the cruise, you already saw the fire he put on the car. But for you guys are gonna get a little preview. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in after I grab it from him.
Have you been here before?
Nah. First time in Concept 3 right here. You got the lights low. You got the lights dim. Is it like a romantic thing or something?
How you doing?
Hey, what's up, dog?
I got a $4.99 special for you, homie.
Oh, what's up, dog? They was probably gonna close up. Y'all gonna close up or what?
Yeah, close at 6 o'clock.
Being closed.
Hey, this dude right here, VIP status.
I stayed up for you.
Don't come after closing hours, dude. You won't get the treatment. But yes, Concept 3. Is it cool if I walk up in here real quick?
It's all you, man.
Just real quick. I'm gonna throw this in one of my vlogs or whatever. Ooh wee.
Got a little bit of everything in there.
I see it. We got representing the Velocitors. Ooh, man. Got the FD right here. I'm guessing it's probably not running right now. What you guys working on it or something or what?
It was running.
It was running.
And it's not a rotary.
Okay. Okay. You want to pop it for me real quick? Is that cool or is it a secret? It's going to be on YouTube if you don't mind. Ooh, is that sacrilege? Will people get mad at that?
People hating.
Dog, man, dude. That's funny, dude.
But
wow.
It's broken again.
Okay.
I broke the wells off the intercooler.
Wow.
I blew up my intercooler. I make 700.
Whoa, that's good numbers, man. That's good numbers.
It's cute.
Yeah.
It's cute. But yes, I run about 28 pounds of booze and I blew the wells off the fucking wall.
28. Wow, you guys heard that? 28.
Somebody remind me.
This guy. He says it all casually. He's got some. Oh, dude, this fool. Oh my God, dog. I'm sorry. I was looking at the FD and then I look at the Miata and I'm like geeking out, dude. This is one of my favorite cars. You guys know, and this thing is beautiful. Hard top. You even got the what is that? Like the conversion.
The fastback.
Oh man, got the fastback on it. I know he got something under the hood, man. Let's see
It's
what he
a
got.
stock 1.8.
Okay. No, the 1.8. That's cool.
Stock 1.8 though.
That's a good
Stock
start,
motor.
though. No, that's cool. The 1.8. I like the 1.8. But nah, it's all good, man. This thing is beautiful. I mean, a lot of people might hate on it, dude, but this, oh, man.
You know
yeah,
what?
I want
It's
one so
okay.
bad.
She makes 253 wheels on E85.
Okay.
V8 guys.
Well, yeah, you heard that, man. He talking that good stuff.
Paperclip.
I got them to about 110 to 115, where I'm out of gear.
Yeah.
And then they fly by me going, this is all I got, buddy.
Yeah.
It's a feat. Yada. What do you want to
He gonna catch up and then talk trash, man. That's funny. But yeah, nah, this thing is beautiful. Yeah. I love all different types of cars, man. I give respect where it's due. You know what I mean? Like, yeah,
I own a
respect me.
95 RX7
Yeah.
with 1J in it. Mm-hmm. I own a 95 Mazda Miata with the stock 1.8 with the turbo on it. I own a 2005 Honda Element.
That is the fastest one in here, right? What you got under the hood? No, I'm joking. No, I'm joking, dude. I'm joking. That would be funny though.
I thought about it.
Yeah, but
Manual conversion, slapping a turbo on it. I heard they could make 500 to the wheels.
oh, we're just messing around, having a good time. But yeah, S2000, is that bagged out or what?
It is backed out.
Ooh, of course, you're not rolling like that.
I used to own this 92 SC, but it got in a rear wreck that we were about to repair it.
Okay.
It sort of bent. Again, I like big turbos.
Of course.
Big boy turbo.
Ooh, yeah, that's a big boy right there. Yeah, just show you guys.
It's
Nice,
still-
man. It's cute. Yeah, it's cute.
cute.
Yeah, I like that. It's cute, you know?
But then this is all the shopping inside that we put away.
Yeah.
What about outside?
Yeah. Uh-oh. What do you got?
Outside, we still got AKA BRZ slut. Being a slut.
That's funny. Just chilling out there.
So let's go
Yeah.
outside.
Oh, we got a couple pieces back here. Okay. See you. The Pandem. All right.
So here's the slut.
Ooh, that's aggressive right there. I like that. Ooh-wee. What's up, fellas? How y'all doing? Back here chilling? All right, all right. Who's the owner of this beast right here? Which one of you?
This
That's you?
famous man right here.
Hey, why you? Hey, go ahead, man. It's all right, man. I don't judge. No, we just mess around having a good time, man. This is nice, bro. Nice. This is unplanned. Like this vlog, I was just like, I had my GoPro with me, picking up something from Premier Christian. Yeah. Check out Concept 3. Cool cars. Yes, sir. Oh, you're gonna check out the Optima, the award-winning Optima right here. How many awards did you win that day? How many awards did you win that day?
Me?
Yeah.
Him, right? Me? No.
You that day?
That?
Yeah.
It's a big Kia. What do you mean?
No, you what that day? Stop. He's being humble, dude. It's all good. Nah, but this thing's nice.
Look, I got random stuff on it. Excuse me.
But nah, this thing is beautiful. Check this out. It's just a Kia. I'm telling you, man. Show my KDM fam some love, dude. See? OMG, it's a Kia. But yeah, this thing is award-winning. He's being humble, man. Yeah, I'll put the link to the video where the Drift League car show, my first car show, that video. Yeah, he was there. And shout out to Gary King Jr. for being a jerk that day. If you guys were at that show, Gary King Jr. was trying to play the KDM community, but look at that screen in there. I love that. That's awesome. But yeah, give them a follow right there. Concept 3. Hit them up, especially if you own a KDM. Just hit them up, period. Give them a follow, man. See what they can do for you. And then we got this right here. Give Premium Christian some love with his Forte. Some little small custom touches he did. Bam. Mirrors, wrapping mirrors. This guy right here doing his thing. custom touches, tail lights. Hit up Premium Auto Styling. Check out what they got for you. They got some cool touches. These tail lights, the tint on the tail lights, that's custom made by Premium Christian. That works at Premium. KTM Cruise, of course, designed that. But yeah, we had to give him some love, man. That's about it. This is the quick little vlog. Actually, it's funny. I was not planning this at all. But yeah, he's gonna give me my merch, my stuff.
Alrighty.
So yeah, if you guys are watching this, you guys have already seen the car or whatever, but this guy's very creative. Look at that. Bam. There we go. Media car. Smile, you're on camera. I'm always filming people. I'm the paparazzi. Oh, we got the homie Alex coming through.
It's so loud.
Then my custom one-off. You know what I mean? Y'all ain't got one of these. You got the one that say KTM Cruise, but you ain't got your YouTube channel. Oh, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Give me that fist bump. Bam. Say what's up to Alex real quick before we wrap up the vlog. This is not planned. This was just something that just happened. I was about to be lazy and go straight home, but I was like, you know what? Let me hit up Christian. There we go, KTM Cruise. Yes, sir. One of the group leaders right here. What up, Alex? Say what's up to the vlog, man. Good to see you, bro.
Dude.
You saw I gave you a little shout out earlier, man. Make sure people know this car, man. I did it for everybody. Y'all check out that Instagram video, or the last video I did for you guys getting ready for the KTM Cruise. You might have seen a little clip with this car in there, but look at these wheels. God dang. Woo, that's shiny. So shiny. But yeah, this was an unplanned vlog, dude. But yeah, cool. Chilling up here. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. It's a cool little video. So catch y'all later. Peace. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the content. Like I kept saying repeatedly in this video, this is very unplanned. I just grabbed my GoPro and tried it out with the vlogging, whatever. It's a little different. Yeah, it takes a little getting used to and everything like that, but it was fun. Audio came out good and everything like that. So I might be doing that more often, you know. Some just taking my GoPro along with me on the road and not having to bring my big DSLR or whatever for small vlogs like this. It'll give me more opportunities to get out there quicker and not have to grab a bunch of equipment, you know. Just have a little fun with it, man. I have fun chilling with Will and my homie Premium Christian. Make sure you give Concept 3 a follow. Make sure you check them out. They do some awesome custom work. Dude, you want to get your car bagged out, whatever else, they have some awesome deals. Follow them on Instagram, and if you check out their last couple posts, they're running a couple package deals, whatever, on some stage 2, stage 3 mods or whatever. But you got to check out the Instagram, get more information about that and everything like that. So yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. I'm going to try to do more fun vlogs like this, dude. Cracking jokes and just having a good time. And that small little editing I did or whatever when he was cussing. I'm going to show you the clip. After this, I'm going to give you guys a little outtakes. It's a short little clip he made for me so that I can edit it in. So, yeah, you guys enjoy that. But I'm going to go ahead and get up out of here. Just remember, as I say at the end of all of my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed. Stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevin RX7 TV. Peace. You don't mind me saying, putting all this in the vlog. Of course, I'm going to cut out the cursing, but yeah. Yeah, you don't, yeah.
Beep and a beep and a
beep, 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 beep.
So here's for the block. Beep and a beep, 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 beep.
I'll use that. I'm going to cut that. There we go.
Beep.
There we go.